Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in the previous video we created the search segment of our product list page in which we covered the search bar, the horizontally scrollable chips and the product list. So in this video we will be going to create the recommendation part of our product list products page, and in this we are going to create this cards slides of cards. And so let's just focus on creating the recommendation part now. So this is the search segment part of our products page, and for the recommendation part I already have a text over here, so I will just remove the text. And as we have seen that we require a card which contains the product image along with its name and its price, and all the cards are in a slide format. So for that, Ionic have a predefined component called Ion slide. So I will just use Ion slide first, and the Ion slides contain Ion slide as child component for each slide. So I will be using Ion slide, and each Ion slide contain a card. So for that I will be using Ion card, and Ion card contains a image, a name, so and a price. So for the name and the price I will be using the predefined Ion title and Ion card title and Ion card subtitle. So as we have as we know that Ion title and subtitle are enclosed in Ion card header for perfect use, so I will be using Ion header first. Just like our normal HTML format, the title and the subtitles or any other thing contains in a header part. So similarly in Ion card also, if we are using a title and subtitle, so we have to use Ion card header for that. So now Ion card title and Ion subtitle. We have this because we haven't used anything. So for image I already have some images, so simply I will use these images in my project. I have previously shown that how can we locally use images in our project, so I will be using these images. So just go back to our code, and I will point towards this image. So for that I will first go to assets folder, then I will go to images, then I will give the name of with the extension. So as we can see that we have got our image in the slide. So for the name, I will provide the name here in the card title, along with okay. So we haven't provided any property or something. So our first slide is looking like this. We will be modifying it later in the video. So our first slide is ready. So similarly, we will be creating our remaining slides, and I have images for remaining slides as well. So I will first copy the slide and will change the image name and price. As we can see that we have got the slides properly, and our slides are sliding also. So I will just rename all the images now. um, I have all the images in my images folder, so I will use one by one all the images. Now I will save my images and the name that I have. So I am getting some errors. So we will just go to our coding part and let's just see what error we are getting. You can see here as well. Okay, so I have made some mistake in writing the image name. So as we can see that we are getting slides properly. So now we will focus on providing some options to our slide. So here I am getting the view of one slide per view. As I am seeing only one slide. I want two slides to be viewed at a time. So for providing such properties or such options, we have attribute called options. We can provide to our slides, and I will name that slide ops, and this we will return in the setup method. So here I will just go and will write constant slide ops, and in that I will be slides per view. I want two slides per view. Let's just see what we are getting now. Okay, so I am getting two slides per view, but the problem is that the height of the slides are uh, unacceptable. Some slides are are having much height, and some are smaller. So for that, we require some minimal amount of CSS properties to be added to our code so that they look appropriate and adequate. And let's just focus on some CSS part. So I will just go back to my code. We'll go to the style part, and over here I will provide this property to the ion slide component. So first we will provide it a property of flex. Why we are providing it the flex? Because here we can see that we are all the slides are in in a row, and for with display flex, all the items that we want to display are automatically aligned in a row. So for that I will be using display flex, and then I will provide the property of align items. Align items are used to align the elements vertically. For aligning any element vertically, we use align items. So I will be providing the property stretch over here. So stretch, what stretch will do? The stretch will stretch my all the items, and they will be fit in the container. They will be fit in this iron slide container that we are having. And lastly, I will be providing them a height of auto, so that the slides will automatically adjust its height to allow its content to be displayed correctly. So when we will save this and just go and refresh it, yeah, all the slides are having equal height. They are in a row, they are aligned properly, and in this way we can create slides in Ionic. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, then please give your precious comments in the comment section below. Hope you like it. Thank you so much once again.